If you're looking for the Dexter, Michigan real estate market update for August of 21, this video is for you. Hey folks, Todd Waller here on behalf of Studio 48 at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Snyder & Company Realtors, and let's just dive right into those numbers today, shall we? I mean, they are what they are and we can't change them. For August of 2021, the average sales price for a home in Dexter, Michigan was $480,367, up a whopping 21.01% compared to August of 2020. Tremendous gain year over year, if you will, from month to month, to $480,367 as an average sales price. The median sales price for a home in Dexter also jumped significantly. It jumped 12.25% to $437,500. That's tremendous that you've got both the average and the median sales prices moving in such huge chunks compared to the same time frame last year. The average days on market continues its decline. The average days on market for a property that closed in August of 21 was 25 days on market. That is down 19.27%. Tremendous. That gives us a feel for how much inventory there is not and how much demand there actually is. Number of properties sold. This number jumped 5.56% compared to August of 2020. 38 properties were sold in the month of August in Dexter. The final number here that the studio has been tracking, and this one's relatively new for us this year, because we're trying to get a feel for how fast the market is moving and what the demand looks like. What we're tracking here is the percentage of closed sales in a given month that sold for what the seller was asking or more, so at or above list price. Of the 38 properties that sold in Dexter, 25 of them sold at or above list price. That's 65.79% of the sales were at or above list price. This is tremendous. So if you're a homeowner in Dexter and you are just thinking about the value of your property, I would ask you to chat with a professional here at Studio 48. Why? There's two reasons. Number one, having that equity number in mind, having that amount of equity in mind helps you make some good decisions. The first decision is, hey, if I want to do some remodeling, maybe I want to pick up some tuition for somebody, heck, maybe I want to take my equity and invest it somewhere else. You need to have that number in mind so that you can accurately make a strong decision for your family and for your current situation. Number two, talking with a Studio 48 professional allows you to also position yourself really well if you're thinking about bringing your home to the marketplace. If you're bringing your home to the marketplace or even thinking about that, knowing what the value of your home is allows you to craft a plan of bringing your home to the market in such a way to take advantage of the low inventory, high demand scenario that we currently live in. If you're a purchaser looking for a home in Dexter, I'm going to say this repeatedly, I think, across a bunch of different municipalities. You're going to need to go big. So again, talk with a Studio 48 professional. We will sit and chat with you, figure out what it is that you're aiming for in a Dexter home, and then we'll craft a purchase agreement that makes sense, not just to you, but then also to the seller and beating out other purchasers that come to the table for that particular property. This is Todd on behalf of Studio 48 at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Snyder & Company, saying we're here to help you recreate real estate.